fortunate enough to be a part of a multi-team process dealing with everything site-related, basically for civil engineering, anything with healthcare, specifically for my project team. The day consists of coordinating with clients, a majority of the time coordinating with design team members, keeping up with the constant changing requirements of the healthcare industry. Site-related items such as environmental issues, client needs, I guess the continuing changing, going from large facilities to smaller facilities, helping them discover and find sites that can meet their needs. Well, just knowing that we're part of a successful project team who helped the owner find a solution, and knowing that project and that building and that site is going to be there for many years to come, and you're positively impacting the environment and the citizens around that environment. Much more complex. There are a lot more regulations required, and the technology that we use has gone incredibly, accelerated incredibly. It used to be more of a single-based solution. Now it's more of a collaborative-based solution where multiple teams can work on the same project at the same time and then bounce ideas off of each other. And the end product is actually a model, not just hard physical plans, but more of a model that's electronic that can be shared with multiple people. Instead of being more of a standalone kind of application, it's more of a multidisciplinary application. Multiple people can use the same model at the same time and actually have that to be able to use that years down the road. But you also get to learn more about what other people do at the same time and understand what their requirements are and what their constraints are. You can maybe help each other out to find a common solution. Opportunities to continue our growth throughout the country and maybe perhaps outside the country, expanding that ability to do work on multiple places. Challenges will be continuing to do more with less. Our clients are constantly challenging us to, can you do more with this amount of dollar, basically this amount of budget? Can you do more with that? And just coming up with creative ideas, again, working with a team to provide solutions that provide more bang for their buck. Sure, we have a few projects now, both going on in Arizona and Florida, which we're able to use our local offices and basically use their expertise with the local governments and with the contractors that are out there. But the owners are here in Nashville. So we have the relationship with the owner as well as the other branches of the offices, but they have that special knowledge of the local area that we can rely on, and we can work together. And I think that's where the most fun is. A lot of other disciplines, they're regulated by the state agency requirements or the building code or something like that. Everywhere we go, the site is different. The regulations are different for us. So and I think it's the most fun part of the project is meeting new people, meeting new challenges, and again, using our experience and our far reaching across the country to help provide that sort of service.